What is the ESP32? It's a small but extremely powerful microcontroller used in modern electronics, robotics, and smart devices. Think of it as a tiny computer that controls sensors, motors, lights, and even connects to the internet. Inside the ESP32 is a dual-core 32-bit processor running up to 240 megahertz. That gives it enough speed to handle multiple tasks at the same time. The ESP32 has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so it can talk to your phone, your home network, or cloud services without any extra modules. Because it's cheap, fast, and internet-ready, the ESP32 is the heart of many IoT projects, from smart home devices to security systems, robots, and automation. So in simple terms, the ESP32 is your all-in-one Wi-Fi powered brain for building smart and connected electronics.